హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు కేకేఆర్ ఎలక్ట్రికల్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్. మా ఛానల్ ఎవరైనా ఫస్ట్ టైం చూస్తుంటే దయచేసి మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి, అలాగే పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ని ప్రెస్ చేయండి. ఈరోజు మనం మన ఛానల్లో ఏపీ ట్రాన్స్కో 2012 సబ్ ఇంజనీర్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ని చూడబోతున్నాం. సో లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్ ది వీడియో. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ ఆఫ్ AP Transco. Question number 1. The speed torque characteristics of a series motor is answer hyperbola. Question number 2. In a DC generator, if the variable loss is equal to constant loss, then the efficiency is answer maximum. Question number 3. The armature of a DC machine is laminated to reduce answer eddy current loss. Question number 4. The initial flux in the generator is provided by answer residual magnetism. Question number 5. For the operation of milling machine, the following motor is used. Answer DC shunt motor. Question number 6. In a series motor, the torque is proportional to square of the armature current. Question number 7. By conducting Swinburne's test on a DC machine, the following losses can be determined. Answer constant losses. Question number 8. The series motor have relatively high starting torque. Question number 9. In a DC shunt motor, the frequency developed in 15 Newton meter at 10 amps of load current. If the load current is doubled, the new torque will be answer 30 Newton meter. Question number 10. The internal characteristics of a DC shunt generator is a plot between answer induced EMF and armature current. Question number 11. The back EMF of motor at the time of starting is answer 0. Question number 12. At low flux densities, the flux in a DC generator varies linearly with the field current. Question number 13. Three resistances of R ohm each are connected in delta. Its equivalent resistance in star connection per phase is answer R by 3 each. Question number 14. The RMS value of a triangular wave of alternating quantity having peak value of 3 amps is answer root 3 amps. Question number 15. In a series RL circuit, the voltage across the resistance is 40 volts and voltage across inductance is 40 volts. Then the total voltage across the series circuit is 56.56 volts. Question number 16. A transformer can have regulation closer to 0 on leading power factor. Question number 17. The full load copper loss of a transformer is 1600 watts. At half load, the copper loss will be answer 400 watts. Question number 18. A 440 by 110 volt single phase transformer has a primary resistance of 0.03 ohms and secondary resistance of 0.02 ohms. Its iron losses at normal input are 150 watts. Then secondary current at which the maximum efficiency will occur is 82.8 amps. Question number 19. Which of the following transformers should never have the secondary open circuited while the primary is energized? Answer current transformer. Question number 20. An isolation transformer has the primary to secondary turns ratio of answer 1:1. Question number 21. In a 50 kVA single phase transformer, the iron loss is 500 watts and full load copper loss is 800 watts. The efficiency of the transformer at full load at 0.8 power factor lagging is answer 96.85%. Question number 22. A synchronous motor can be used as a synchronous capacitor when it is overexcited. Question number 23. The harmonic component of the generated EMF will be more in alternators with answer full load pitch coil. Question number 24. Vehicles for a synchronous motor represent the relation between answer armature current and field current. Question number 25. The crawling in an induction motor is caused by answer harmonics developed in the motor. Question number 26. The ratio of starting torque to normal torque in case of start delta starter will be 1 by 3. Question number 27. A 3-phase 440 volts 50 Hz induction motor has 4% slip. The frequency of rotor EMF will be 2 Hz. Question number 28. In a tuned line, receiving end voltage and current are numerically equal to corresponding sending end values. Question number 29. The maximum torque in an induction motor depends on frequency. Question number 30. Which of the following motors will have relatively high power factor? Capacitor run motors. Question number 31. Which of the following motors can be used for unity power factor? Answer Scrage motors. Question number 32. Which one of the following turbines will be used for heads from 500 meters to 200 meters? Francis. Question number 33. The sudden change of pressure in penstock pipes due to sudden reduction of load is avoided using surge tank. Question number 34. Which one of the following heat exchanger is used to raise the temperature of steam from normal to superannuation level? Superheater. Question number 35. Which one of the following treatments for water is used to remove non-carbonate hardness? Answer soda treatment. Question number 36. The hoppers in electrostatic precipitators are generally dash in shape. Pyramidal in shape. Question number 37. The purpose of cooling tower is to cool the steam in the condenser. Question number 38. The following is used to reduce the speed of the neutrons in a nuclear reactor. Answer moderator. Question number 39. Which one of the following is a cladding material in nuclear reactor? Answer magnesium. Question number 40. In which of the following reactors reactor control is achieved by varying moderator level? CANDU. Question number 41. A generating station has a connected load of 450 megawatts and a maximum demand of 250 megawatts. The unit generated are 615 into 10 power 6 per annum. The load factor of the station is answer 0.281. Question number 42. The plant capacity is determined by plant use factor. Question number 43. A power plant has a maximum demand of 15 megawatts. The load factor is 50% and the plant factor is 40%. The operating reserve is 3.75 megawatt. Question number 44. A transformer is rated at 66 kV by 400 volts, 10,000 kVA, 5% reactance. The short circuit MVA of the transformer when connected to infinite bus is answer 20 MVA. Question number 45. The power frequency RMS voltage that appears across the breaker contacts after the transient oscillations die out and final excitation of arc that results in all the poles is called answer recovery voltage. Question number 46. In resistance switching, the function of shunt resistor reduces the rate of rise of restriking voltage. Question number 47. The number of poles per phase of breaker is a function of. Answer: operating voltage. Question number 48. The capacitor switching is easily done with vacuum circuit breaker. Question number 49. A distance relay is said to be inherently directional if its characteristics on Rx diagram is a circle that passes through origin. Question number 50. The most efficient torque producing actuating structure in an induction relay is induction cup structure. Question number 51. The line trap unit employed in a carrier current relay offers high impedance to carrier frequency signals. Question number 52. The protection relay used for low fault setting and high operating speeds in a transformer is harmonic restraint relay. Question number 53. The wattmetric relay with directional characteristic is used for the protection of generator against failure of prime mover. Question number 54. The best suited relay for 3-zone protection scheme is. Answer: Moore relay. Question number 55. The Rule 77 of Indian Electricity Rules 1956 for overhead lines given information about clearance above ground of lowest conductor. The stringing charts are used to calculate tension and sag at any temperature. Question number 57. Due to proximity effect, the effective internal reactance of the conductor is. Answer: decreases. Question number 58. The inductance of a single phase 2-wire transmission line per kilometer gets doubled when the distance between the wires is increased as square of the original distance. Question number 59. A transmission line of 210 km length has certain values for A, B, C and D parameters. If the length of line is made 100 km, then A increases and B decreases. Question number 60. The surge impedance loading of line is proportional to V square. Question number 61. Under no load condition, the current in transmission line is due to capacitance of the line. Question number 62. For a transmission line, the no load receiving end voltage is more than the sending end voltage. This is called Ferranti effect. Question number 63. Corona loss can be reduced by the use of hollow conductors because for a given cross section the radius of the conductor is increased. Question number 64. The non-shielding method of over-voltage protection is based on the principle of insulation breakdown. Question number 65. The valve element of non-linear resistance in valve type lightning arrestor are made up of. Answer: silicon chloride. Question number 66. Which of the following lightning arrestors can discharge currents between 65,000 to 1 lakh amperes? Answer: line type. Question number 67. Which of the following is used to reduce tower footing resistance? Answer: ground rod. Question number 68. In the case of rigid bus arrangement, the size of aluminum pipe used for voltage level of 66 kV is. Answer: 65 mm. Question number 69. In substation, the breaker maintenance facility is provided in the main and transfer bus scheme. Question number 70. For low voltage applications up to 11 kV, which of the following insulators are preferred? Pin type. Question number 71. In a 5 insulator disc, string capacitance between each unit and earth is 1/6 of the mutual capacitance. The voltage distribution across the middle unit as percent of the voltage applied is. Answer: 17.1. Question number 72. An electric train taking off constant current of 600 amps moves on a section of line between two substations 8 kilometers apart, maintained at 575 volts and 590 volts respectively. The track resistance is 0.04 ohm per kilometer. Both go and return. The point of maximum potential along the track is at a distance from 575 volts substation is. Answer 3.67 kilometers. Question number 73. Which of the following is the most economical AC distribution system? AC 3 phase, 3 wire. Question number 74. For a distributed design, if the voltage rating is increased by n times, the conductor size reduces to dash of the original. Answer 1 by n square. Question number 75. The pointer of an indicating instrument is generally made of aluminium. Question number 76. Electrostatic instruments are used as dash only. Voltmeters. Question number 77. In a dynamometer wattmeter, the moving coil is the potential coil. Question number 78. A 50 volts range voltmeter has a sensitivity of 20 kilo ohms per volts. The total resistance of the voltmeter is 1 mega ohm. Question number 79. An RLC series resonance circuit has a Q of 15 and a source voltage of 50 volts. The voltage across the capacitor at resonance is dash. Answer 75 volts. Question number 80. At parallel resonance condition, the power factor is unity. Question number 81. In an AC circuit, V and I are given by V equal to 100 sin 100t volts and I equal to 100 sin 100t plus pi by 3 milliamps. The power dissipated in the circuit is 2.5 watts. Question number 82. In the measurement of 3-phase power by 2 wattmeter method, the 2 wattmeters indicate equal readings if the power factor is. Answer unity. Question number 83. In a parallel RLC circuit below resonance frequency, the circuit behaves as inductive. Question number 84. In a balanced 3-phase star connected system, the phase difference between line and phase voltage is 30 degrees. Question number 85. The electric heater draws 10 amps from 230 volts line. The resistance of the heater is 23 ohms. Question number 86. A wire has a resistance of 12 ohms. It is bent in the form of an equilateral triangle. The effective resistance between any two corners of the triangle is 8 by 3 ohms. Question number 87. ACSR stands for aluminum conductor steel reinforced. Question number 88. In house wiring, the total connected load per subcircuit can be 800 watts. Question number 89. Which of the following motor is used for intermittent high torque load and for rolling mills? Answer option C, DC cumulative compound wound motor. Question number 90. In plugging of DC motors, connections to the armature are reversed. Question number 91. The motor enclosure used in woodworking industry is totally enclosed fan cooled type. Question number 92. The least expensive drive is. Answer belt drive. Question number 93. The unit of luminous flux is lumens. Question number 94. The illumination at a surface due to source of light placed at a distance d from the surface varies as. Answer 1 by d square. Question number 95. Reduction factor is the ratio of MSCP by MHCP. Question number 96. Power factor is the highest in case of incandescent lamp. Question number 97. In carbon arc welding, electrode is positive with respect to work in case of DC supply. Question number 98. Rolling electrodes are specifically used for seam welding. Question number 99. In a resistance furnace, the atmosphere is oxidizing. Question number 100, the last question. In core type furnace, the secondary winding has no turns. So this is the question paper of AP Transco 2012 Sub-Engineer Recruitment. In the next video, we will see the question paper of AP SPDCL or AP EPDCL JLM. If anybody wants the PDF of this question paper, please contact me through the mail in the description. Thank you for watching.